Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix. I am trying to uninstall one program using control panel and click on program and click on uninstall. A Windows pop-up those states you don't have a sufficient access to uninstall the program. Please contact your system administrator. Let's fix it guys. I show you guys how to uninstall that program. For that you just need to open up any web browser. I'm going with Google Chrome. You just want to search revo uninstall download for free. Just need to click on the first one. Just need to click on free one on left side. Click on it. Free download. Click on left side. Wait for it guys. Thank you for downloading the revo uninstaller. You just need to click on, if it is not started downloading, you just need to click on here guys. After install done, click on show in folder. Close the web browser. Double click on the setup file and install it guys. Click yes. Select your language and select OK. Select accept the agreement. Select next and install. Wait for it. Select finish. Now it will automatically opens up. You just need to select in here the uninstall program. You just want to select the programs and select uninstall over here guys. Uninstall the selected programs. You can easily uninstall from here guys. That's the problem. You can't able to uninstall an uninstall program. Here you can able to uninstall anything you want it. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.